What's up, guys? We are snowed in today. It's like the first day of spring, second day of spring in New York, and I actually went to work in this. We're getting 18 inches of snow in a nor'easter blizzard, and we just got sent home early. We just left work early, and I'm home, and I came home to, funny enough, the mail came today in this weather, and I got a package. I waited 11 years. I'm sorry, not 11 years. Since 2011, I've been waiting for this item to come in the mail, and it finally arrived. So let's do the unboxing and get right into the video. So what's up, guys? This is something I waited, as I said, 8 years for. 2000, well, not 8, 7 years for. 2011, I bought my first, my second Citizen watch, and I realized it was a 2100 Panda face watch, and after I purchased it in 2011, I realized by 2012 there's a lot of variations of this watch. And I put in my eBay search, my eBay save search, for this watch, the watch I wanted, in titanium with a sapphire crystal. And after 7 years, it finally came up in my search engine. And it came from Norway. The guy that sold it to me shipped it from Norway. It's brand new. It was from a collection he had, and I jumped in it right away, and the watch is in this box. It just came today. Normally I'd wait to do an unboxing either today, tonight, or tomorrow, but I realized Citizen watches, you just never know with the solar powered. I don't know how long it's been in the box shipping. I did order it about 2 weeks ago, and I'm not sure if he saved it or he had it kept in sunlight or whatever. So we're just gonna unbox it right now and see what's inside the box. So right here we see Citizen watch, and it has something in grams, and that's in Norwegian, and the date he shipped it. Today's actually, it came really fast. Today is the 21st, and this is shipped the 18th. I don't know if he shipped it, I guess, later than I paid on eBay, but like I always say to you guys, like, if you're looking for something, I know in my BMW stuff, people always ask me how do I get like certain things. You put it in that eBay save search, and if it takes, sometimes it takes 7 years. This is probably one of the longest things I waited for to come up on eBay to buy. And these are ultra rare watches, and you see in a minute what I got. So I got my trusty knife from my daughter. They went to Alaska, and funny enough, I got all my Alaska gear. She also bought, my daughter is like 2 years old, they also bought me this hat, and I got another hat I think I wore in one of my videos. So right away, and that's where it came from. I don't know if that's where he lives, but if anyone recognized that address. Norway is a beautiful place. I'm actually watching a Netflix show called Borderlands, and I believe that's based around the area where this watch is actually from, and that's a coincidence. Total coincidence. Now, I don't know if this is the Citizen watch box inside, but I don't want to damage that box. And so let's see what's inside. And this watch is supposed to be a titanium to the one I used to have. I just actually had the steel and sapphire, and it's no longer in my collection. Actually, these are the only watches in my collection. I currently own 4, and then this is my only titanium watch that I have here, my Casio Pathfinder. Yeah, so that's my only titanium watch that I own now, and I just have my Casio Edifice, my Seiko 5, and my Omega Speedy. And I've been wearing this daily, and I've been using this as a Friday watch, and I haven't worn this since the winter. I actually might sell this watch. If I keep this watch, I might sell my Seiko with the sapphire crystal. I know this is gonna beautiful watch, but I just don't like divers. I'm not a diver person. I'm more of a chronograph watch person. I also have this watch where I guess is my Sunday watch or my formal watch, my Orient Bambino. Sorry guys, but I never wear the diver. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with that. I'm not a diver personality. I'm more of a chronograph guy, and it's a pretty big box for this watch. And that's just my address on that side. I'm not gonna give that to the camera. And my God, this guy is wrap this thing like groceries. It's saran wrap, and I think this is a Citizen box. This black thing here might be, sorry guys, move the camera back. This black thing here might actually be a Citizen. Okay, this is giving me a lot of trouble, and this knife is dull. I don't know what it is. There we go. Oh, you know, I'm an idiot. I could have just flipped this up. It was there the whole time. Oh wow, this is different. Put that to the side. So we have this outer paper box here. I've never seen a Citizen watch box like this. This is totally new to me. And these watches were never sold in the USA. I won't be surprised if this is the first watch in the USA. And this is actually this is one of the biggest Citizen watch boxes I've ever seen in my life. It's huge. So inside this box, let's see if there's anything around. It's just a black box, and it's like a hard cardboard. And I like the paper box because with the paper box, it kind of makes it official. I kind of like that combo of paper and hard plastic. So let's see what's inside this box. So before I open up the box, I just want to let you guys know I did have this watch before in a stainless steel and sapphire, as well as I had a H610, Calibre H610 BY000 watch with the functions. I did a video last summer on it, and that was just a steel with I'm not sure if that had sapphire crystal, but I sold both of those watches because I wasn't wearing the Citizen watches because I felt they were too big and too heavy. So the titanium watch, the reason I'm getting this is because it's supposed to be lighter. So let's open it up and see. Oh, we have more cellophane wrap. These Norwegians, I tell ya. Funny enough, my name is Norwegian, Olaf Johnson. The whole name, my whole name is. I'm not Norwegian, as you can see by my skin color there, but a lot of people that I do business with overseas think my name, because of my name, they think I'm Norwegian or Scandinavian. My name, actually, that's where my parents got it from. The priest that baptized me, he was Norwegian. I'm Catholic. I don't know if you guys know that. So my mom is very Catholic. My dad not so much, but I was baptized in a Catholic church, and I got the name from the father there. His name was Father Olaf from, and it's very lightweight, guys. And I don't know, I'm not impressed. I'm not as impressed as I thought I would be, but it's, there it is. Sapphire crystal. It's a lot lighter than my old one, the stainless steel one, but it's not as polished. I find the titanium, and I heard Citizen, they have the best titanium game in town, out of Japan, out of Asia, but I thought the titanium would be polished, but it's a matte gray like that. I just assumed it would be finished like, sort of like that, like my Omega, kind of stainless steel finish, but it actually is polished. I don't know. It probably might grow on me, but I don't know. The reason I got rid of this watch, it is one of my dream watches, but because I have this watch here, I can't do big face watches anymore, and that's the thing. See how big that is compared to my Casio Panda right there? It's just a big watch, but I'm going to just put it on because it is a really rare watch. It's probably the only video you probably see in your life on YouTube of this watch. Let's take a look at the back there. And the back of these watches are always hard to get on film. But let's see if you could see, get my camera there, focus in. So we have Sapphire, you see there. And right above there, you'll see the titanium etching. For titanium, it's right above where it says open. I don't know if you can see it there. So this is a Sapphire and titanium 2100 Panda face. There is a gray US version of this watch that is a gray Panda dial, but this is the original kind of Panda dial that everyone loves. I love. Ron Swanson wore this watch in Parks and Rec. So that's it, guys. That's the watch there. And I don't know. What do you guys think? So quickly before I finish the video, I'm just gonna add this on. Now, I didn't look inside the box, but this is a watch, and funny enough, it was fully charged in the box, which I like. It comes fully charged, so that kind of shows that the Citizen solar powered watches are really robust in terms of keeping that charge and holding that charge. It's showing me 100% charge, and I know it's been in the box for a long time, for a while it was shipped to me. It says put that on the side and see what's inside the rest of the box. I only realized after I finished the first part of the video that there's a hidden compartment inside this box. So we have the Citizen booklet here, instruction manual, and it shows you the model number, the Calibre E210, and the model number with a star because it probably covers a variety of the Panda faces Calibre 2100 watches. So most of this is in different languages, that's why it's so thick. These are watch booklets. So, and this is an international watch, so that means it will come with the international warranty there, which is cool. And the seller actually took a link out, I guess. I don't know why, if the watch was, he sold it to me brand new from his collection, so I'm assuming he took the link out, but the watch is brand new. It doesn't look like he wore it. So, and that's all that's in the box. There's even the silica gel thing that's still in there. And I like this box. I've never seen a watch box like this from Citizen. It is high quality. High quality, not like we get in the US here. I don't know why we always get like second quality things in the US, but I really like this watch, guys. I probably won't keep it. I might sell it, but I just wanted to get this watch to do a video for you guys because I know it's a rare watch. No, not a lot of people know it exists, and half the people that know this watch exists are aware of this watch. They don't believe it, you know, was ever like sold. Maybe they thought it was a prototype model, but this is the Sapphire titanium Panda, white Panda face down, not the silver gray one, which the design of that one's much different than this one. But this is the original Panda Citizen watch. And check the chronograph there. And it does exist. It's I didn't think it exists too. For all these years, 5 to 7 years, it was on my eBay thing. I forgot about it. And I didn't think it existed, but I guess it does because I'm holding it. So yeah, this is the thing. A lot of Citizen collectors, it's sort of like a holy grail watch because it's like, it's just, I don't know if this was a limited edition, but it's even rarer than a limited edition Citizen watches, which is you know, saying a lot. So you can see that our titanium is actually, it feels really good. It's actually, you could feel the quality difference between this titanium, and I know my Pathfinder did get a lot of abuse over the years since I've owned it. But the titanium in this watch, it's, you could see how beautiful that is. I'm not even sure, is the camera getting that? But it is a beautiful titanium, guys. And it also has titanium on the clasp there. So it's a well polished titanium. It seems coated as well. I know Citizen kind of coats some of their titanium with Duratec, but I don't think this one has Duratec or it'd be etched in there. But I knew Citizen, they do coat their titanium in some sort of thing to give it that appearance of just a high polished, good quality stuff. And it's a very light watch, very lightweight watch. So I'm impressed with that as well. All right, guys. So I'm gonna wear this for maybe a week or two, you know, and test it out, and then come back and do a full review on this watch. Very impressed with it at first. At first sight, I took it out of the box. I saw the watch I just sold. So I wasn't impressed at first sight, but at first sight, maybe first and a half sight, I'm impressed. The quality of the materials is top class. Like, there's not, like, everything's just so precise and beautiful. It's just very precise. Very precise. The pushes all work. And it's probably on Norwegian time because it's 4:35 in the States, March 21st, and it looks like it's 9:35 in Norway, and it's March 21st. So, all right, guys, that's it. So, thanks for watching. Bye.